Hey guys, Martin here from Fribesco. I hope you all know us by now. We are a leading supplier for roofing tools, all kind of roofing materials. We're also selling machinery. So we do all kind of slitting, bending, punching, rolling machines, roll forming machines, surface grinding, surface finishing machines, slitting lines, blanking lines. We also help a lot of clients to start a sheet metal workshop or upgrading their machinery. We also help companies downgrading if they have too many machines. And most important, I reckon, is that we also help you with your business case to find out, is it feasible to start production? Have you got enough work to justify machinery? Or do you have the right machines to do what you want to do? That could be in any sort of sheet metal manufacturing. A lot of people buy a press brake, for example, but maybe they should buy a bending machine because you have a lot of repetitive work and heavy sheet metal that should be laying flat and not up in the air. We do a lot of consulting as well. So we help you with business plans, putting that in front of a board or a community to actually start a sheet metal manufacturing business. So if you are in the market to start something, you want to have a look if it's worth it for you, please reach out, have a chat, doesn't cost you anything. We definitely can help you. We have a lot of companies out there. We have started growing their business and they're really successful. So if you need any help, just reach out. We're not far away. Looking forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you.